Hello friends, this is the perfect lesson for beginners and kids who want to get better at singing. We'll do some exercises that will help you to have a strong and beautiful voice. We're also going to work on proper breathing, and we're going to learn the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Now make sure if you're doing this video in the morning to brush your teeth first because you don't want to accidentally knock out your family with your morning breath. The first step to having a strong voice is to stand strong. Make sure that you're standing tall and that both feet are firmly planted on the floor. The first exercise we're going to do is what I call fog on the glass. We're going to pretend we're standing with a window directly in front of our nose, and we're going to try to breathe warm air to fog up the window. Fog on the glass. You can put your hand in front of your face if you want to feel how warm the air is. Now with that same warm air, let's sing the syllable ah. Ah. Sing with me. Ah. Now we're going to go up higher. Ah. And higher. Ah. Remember warm air. Did you get a lot of fog on the glass? Now see if you can write your name in it. Now we're going to do something I call big belly breath. When we're learning to breathe properly, we want to take deep, low breaths. Basically, when we breathe in, we want to feel our belly poof out, big belly breath. We have to do this by relaxing our stomach when we breathe in. Here's what it looks like from the side. Now what you don't want to do is breathe up high like this. When we breathe up high, we actually breathe in shallow breaths and they're not very supportive of our voice. When we take big belly breaths, what's happening is we're relaxing this muscle underneath our lungs called the diaphragm. It allows our lungs to fill up with air and expand down. And by relaxing our belly and our diaphragm, we're allowing our lungs to fully expand. If it helps, think of a Buddha statue. It's usually a dude that's meditating and it has a big belly, Buddha belly. Now using this big belly breath, we're going to do an exercise called Mommy Made Me Mash My M&Ms. Say it with me. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Terrible! I wanted to eat them too! Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. So take a big belly breath and sing with me. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms again. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Now we're gonna go up higher. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms up higher. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. And one more. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Remember, when you breathe, take big belly breaths. Now we're going to do something I call the musical slide. The musical slide is when we sing the note ooh, ooh, and we slide down like this. Ooh. Try that with me. Ooh. One more time. Ooh. Now we're going to go lower. Ooh. And lower. Last one. You want to know something crazy? Only 7% of the people that watch my videos on YouTube are subscribed to my channel. And now I know you guys hear this a lot, but if you use my videos and you like them, please consider subscribing to my channel. It actually does make a big difference, and it motivates me to make more videos for you. Now let's learn to sing the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars. We're only going to learn the first part of this song, the first verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Now the best way to learn how to sing a song is just to listen along with the song and try to sing once you've learned the lyrics. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you go listen to that song so you know what we're working on. But we're going to work slowly line by line through this to help you to figure out where all of those notes and lyrics go. The first part of the verse sounds like this. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. So the first part is only 2 notes. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. Here's our starting note. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. And the next part sounds like this. I'll sail the world to find you. I'll sail the world to find you. Let's do those first 2 lines again. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. The second part of the verse sounds like this. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. The first line of that second half goes like this. If you ever find yourself stuck in the dark and you can't see. Let's sing that again. If you ever find yourself stuck in the dark and you can't see. And the next part goes like this. I'll be the light to guide you. So let's sing that second half of the verse together. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Now we're moving on to the pre-chorus, which sounds like this. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. So find out what we're made of. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. When we are called to help our friends in need. Moving on to the chorus. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. A little faster. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. The next line goes, and I know when I need it, I can count. And I know when I need it, I can count. And I know when I need it, I can count. And the next part of the chorus goes, count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Or that's what friends are supposed to do. Count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. And the last part of the chorus is, ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. That's probably the hardest part because it has this big jump. Ooh, ooh. Let's try that together. Ooh, ooh. And then ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Now remember, big belly breath, and use warm air throughout. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do.